Okay, so let's see some loop patterns. So first we're going to see interactive loops. So one good use of the indefinite loop is to write interactive loops. Interactive loops allow a user to repeat certain portion of a program on demand. At each iteration of the loop, ask the user if there is more data to process. So we need to preset it to yes to go through the loop for at least one time. And here's a pseudocode representation of that. We can set more data to yes. And then while more data is yes, so get the next data item, process the item, and then ask if there's more data. All right, so let's go back to our average example. So we're going to use interactive loops to rewrite our average program. So first we're going to set total to 0. Then we're going to set count to 0. And if more data, we're going to set more data to yes, so to go through the while loop for at least one time. And in the while loop, we're going to ask for the value x, then add x to the total, then add 1 to count, and then ask user if there's more data. So as soon as user says no, or anything other than yes, we can set average to sum divided by count, and then we can print the average. So let's see this in the edit.